How to cleanse your liver at home naturally. Raisins and raisin water are a century-old remedy to cure heart and liver-related disorders. Drinking raisin water for 4 days continuously can get your heart and liver functioning well. Raisin water stimulates a biochemical process in liver which results in enhanced purification of the bloodstream. This helps in easy digestion as well as maintaining liver health, as raisin water is rich in minerals and vitamins. Raisin water detoxifies your liver by flushing the toxins out of your body. Now that we know how beneficial drinking raisin water is, let us now see how can we make it. Making raisin water is extremely easy. We need 2 cups of water and 150 grams of black raisin. Boil some water in a pan and soak some raisins in it overnight, strain the water and heat it again on the low flame. Drink this water on an empty stomach. Wait for 30 to 35 minutes before having your breakfast. Do this continuously for 4 days, and you will see the difference. Things to remember. Always choose the dark-colored raisins for making raisin water because black raisins are sun-dried grapes without any add-on chemicals. On the other hand, yellow raisins are dipped in sulfur dioxide to retain their color. This is harmful to your health and therefore should be avoided. Cut down on sugar as raisins carry natural sugar. You should drink this water continuously for 4 days minimum to see the effect. You will feel that your energy has got a tremendous boost and you will not feel tired. Healthy liver will help you by having a glowing skin, improve your sleep quality, regulate your weight and boost your mood. So cleanse your liver as often as you can. Just give it a try and you will see wonders. As you have reached this far, please check out a wonder book on remedy in the link to the description below. Thanks for watching.